I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to unarchive messages on Messenger. For that, open the Messenger app on your phone. After you open up your app, you can see your profile icon on top left. Tap on it. There you can see the option of archived chats. Tap on it. Now select the message you want to unarchive. After that, slide from right to left on the conversation you want to unarchive until you see a menu option. There you'll see an option of unarchive. Tap on it. Now the message has been unarchived and the conversation will then be moved back to your main inbox. This way you can easily unarchive message on Messenger. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.